Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna talk about an issue of the game Call of Duty Mobile. So many players are facing an issue which is a mobile network error 3007, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So the players are facing the issue after the season 9 updates of Call of Duty Mobile. So whenever the players are trying to join rank matches, a pop-up message appears and the game takes them to the lobby. Sometimes there is a blank message. So the cause of this issue is not known yet because this is a game side error, so you can't do much about it. You have to wait until the game's developer fix it. But you can try some ways which may help you. So first of all, check the server status of the game. You can easily check the server status from its official website. Go to the official website of Activision and from here select the game. You will get the information regarding the services. You can even refresh if you want to. Try to use a strong Wi-Fi connection, or you can use your mobile data if requires. Make sure to check for the updates of the game time to time and even perform a reinstallation if requires. But most probably you have to wait. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.